Okay, we want to create a line segment and we need a point, and the construction that we're going to do is a line that is parallel to this line, but that goes through this point. So the very first thing we're going to do is take our compass and we're going to use it to create some arcs. Before we do that, though, let's go ahead and create a point that goes here. Okay, let's go ahead and bring back the compass. So what we want to do is move the stylus to that point, unlock this, and open this to the length between that point and this red point. Okay, we're going to go ahead and lock it there. From there, we're going to move this over. We're going to swing it this way, and we're going to create an arc right there. So we know now that the distance from here to here is the same as the distance from here to here. Okay. And now we're going to do some more work with our compass. We're going to move it to this point here. We're going to let's go back to the red color. We're going to swing it over, and we're going to draw an arc here. Oops. We're going to draw. Let me try that again here. We're going to draw an arc right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I want to make a good size arc there, but the main point that I want to make is that any distance from here to anywhere on this arc is going to be the same as the green. The question is, where do we want this segment to end? Well, that's going to be determined by that center and the arc that we create here as we swing this over this way. So then we'll make that arc, and now we can be certain that that green distance is the same as all the other green distances. And because we left our compass open the same way, that's guaranteed to be the same distance as the other green. And therefore, if I draw a segment that goes through that, or a line rather, that goes through that segment, I've got a line guaranteed to be perpendicular. Now, just very, very briefly, the explanation for why that is so is related to the fact that if I were to draw this diagonal, that you end up with a triangle down here that has the same, that is congruent to the triangle up here. And therefore, this angle is congruent to this angle over here. And then you can check some transversal angles, and it would show you that those two lines are parallel.